mother who murdered her 2 children and stuffed them into a suitcase has been sentenced to life imprisonment in New Zealand. The sentencing concluded the suitcase murders trial that has caught the world's attention. Ha-Kyung Lee, a New Zealand citizen originally from South Korea, was found guilty of killing her children earlier this year. A high court judge sentenced Lee to life imprisonment with a minimum non-parole period of 17 years, saying she had killed children who were particularly vulnerable. The 45-year-old showed little emotion as she sat in court as the judge handed down the sentence.
Were particularly vulnerable because of their age and their reliance upon you as their sole caregiver. The jury found you intended to kill your children, and also that while you were suffering from a depressive illness at the time, you knew that your actions were morally wrong.
Lee had confessed to the killings. The trial hinged on whether Lee had murdered her children, but whether she knew her actions were morally wrong. Her lawyer argued she was not guilty by reason of insanity, and her crimes the result of a depressive spiral brought on by the death of her husband in 2017. A forensic psychiatrist testified that she believed the killing of the children was the right thing to do. Lee killed her 6-year-old son and 8-year-old daughter in 2018 by lacing their fruit juice with an overdose of prescription medication. Lee had said that she planned to kill herself alongside the children, but got the dosage wrong. But the prosecution argued Lee's behavior was calculated, pointing to her efforts to hide the bodies before fleeing the country. She wrapped her dead children in plastic bags before stuffing them into suitcases that were then hidden at a suburban storage warehouse on the outskirts of Auckland. After they were discovered in 2022, police used DNA and other forensic evidence to piece together who the children were, how long they had been dead, and ultimately who had killed them.